Hi, welcome all. This is our next paddy farming progress details recording video using farmOS. This is we seen the previous video package of practice for Amman Boni. What are the actions we planned here? We move to these actions into farmOS plans. In farmOS, uh, we are doing activities or something happening in our farm, um, or you are observing some events in the farm, that's a record like a log. They call the terminology name is log. Multiple types of logs available in farmOS. These are the types of logs available in farmOS. These logs used to be plan these actions in farmOS. We just name that log name for that actions. Irrigation is the activity log, logging and activity log. Um, we are showing the seed is called a seeding log. Like that, transplanting from nursery to main field is called transplanting. When we apply the fertilizers, foliar or soil application, that's called input, because the external fertilizer we are giving to the land or plant is called input. So we record it as a input log. Like the way another log type is harvest we are using. These five logs we already listed as CSV file format. Name nursery irrigate initial irrigation. That is, this action is recorded as nursery and initial irrigation, first irrigation. That's the meaning. And date 10/22/24. We just date like that. Here, this is the UTC time stamp. What is our usual time? We should minus from that our 5:30 Indian IST or our time standard. So we just mark it at 1:30. So it will reflect as 7 p.m. 7 a.m. morning, which is set as a NPA rice rabi, and location must be NPA common nursery for that nursery. Main field is NPA farm, so that location we mark it. And this status are bending because this task or actions will do in the future, so we just keep it as bending status, bending state. Like that, we have harvest log, like silent foliar application we just listed as input log on our bending. This is transplanting log. We are using these five logs. We just upload these logs via CSV import option. Set up CSV import log activity, browse file locator. Okay, just open. and import activity log. We are importing activity log. Insert imported food. We just refresh. Here it will be reflected. Our activity log, bending status. Okay, like that. We upload input log. Browse. Here it will be reflected. It will reflect. Now that new input logs came. Here we import seedling one. Reflect here. Yes, reflected. Okay. Like that, here we can download the template. This is one type. Uh, we import all the activity at once, but we can create logs by that user interface also, but it taking too much time. We just add observation log. Want to observe what is the status of near field before irrigation of nursery field. So I just put the date, initial irrigation 10/22. So I just put before 22. So I entering 20. That's Sunday. Okay. 10. Okay. Planting. If who's sown the seed or prepared nursery for the next season. This observation initially we do and just this is a bending status. I did that assign owner and log type also asset npa rise location npa form. This is not a group assignment activity. Task or log quantity. Here no quantity. Files. I didn't have that file, so I just save this. It will reflect here. Observation. But this is a time consuming task, so we created CSV file and uploaded at once. Okay. Now we create plans in that farmOS instance. Then we can see the overall progress at one place. Plan name, we just name it as MPA 1 2024 2025 plan. Okay. Seasons Rabi and Kharif. I don't know. Files also active only. Say that. Now which is we just add planting. That is our paddy in days Rabi. Seeding date 10/28. So days to transpose after sowing 28 days. We are planning to transplant. Days to maturity means from the sowing, how many days after that plant produce will mature means whatever uh, we gain from that plant. Here we are only rice grains, so it takes 128 days from seeding. It will mature after after 10 days, 20 128 days. Within 10 days we may harvest it. So we put that harvest into is 10 days. Okay, just save that. Another our app, our tasks are coming as here. Location, in that location we have two locations. First, the plant stay on NPA common nursery, then on NPA farm. That this is meaning. Okay, now we have created plant successfully. We will see other progress on another session. Thank you.